What is up, my friends? Welcome back to your average dent. It's your boy Evan. I know most people don't have a sewing machine, but that doesn't mean that we have to be stuck with super baggy clothes, right? So in today's video, we're gonna take our baggy shirts, breathe some new life into them by tapering the sides DIY style without using a sewing machine and make them stylish again. And without further ado, let's begin. The shirt that I will be tapering today is actually the shirt that I'm wearing right now. It is from Uniqlo. As always, hit your boy up. And as you can see, it is super baggy. There are way too much extra fabric at the sides. I am gonna be showing you exactly how to take in your sides to look from this to this. How about that? Definitely a lot to be taken in. But before we do that, let's talk about what do we need. First of all, we need a pair of scissors, a pencil, and lastly, of course, we will be needing a needle and some thread. Yep, really simple. This is basically all you need. Okay, the first step is to put the shirt on inside out. Then you want to pinch the amount of extra fabric that you want to taper off. This is where I'm gonna use a pencil to roughly mark out the area that I want to taper off. Do take note that any cotton or linen does shrink when you wash it, so make sure that you don't taper too close to the body. Give some slack to your shirt. And if you're gonna wear a dark colored shirt, you could use a pen or some pins to mark out the area. And after you have marked out the area, take your shirt off. Then you're gonna use the pencil to connect the markings, make a smooth line. Of course, use a ruler if you have one. Remember to mark out the other side as well. Make sure to take enough thread. Now we'll just have to put the thread into the needle. If you have a needle threader, it will be much easier. Bam! The needle threader almost comes in every sewing kit, so it shouldn't be a problem. But if you don't have a needle threader, then you'll have to be a little bit more patient. And of course, you want the thread to be in the same color as the shirt that you are tapering so that the thread will become hidden when you are done. The next step, make a little knot at the end of the thread. And it's time to get on to the sewing. Same thing, remember to sew from the inside out, follow the pencil guidelines, and you can start from either side, there's really no difference. A trick is to go under and up and under and up a few times before pulling out the needle. This will save time and you don't have to go up and then down and then up again and again. Of course, you can only do this if the fabric is thin enough. If not, you will have to go under and up individually. The wider the gap between the stitches, the less durable will be the stitching. So I usually keep the gap around 2 centimeters. Okay, let's have some sick time lapse. When you get to the end, tie another knot to finish it up, cut the extra thread off, and bam! One side done, let's finish the other side. Exactly the same procedure. Let's roll the time lapse. Finish off by tying another knot at the end, and bam! There you have it, tapering done. Let's put it on and see how it looks. Yo, this is so dope. Tell me this is not the dopest sartorial skill any gentleman could ever have. Let's take a look at before and after. How sick is that? It is beautiful. The whole process took like what, 20 minutes, super simple, and if you have a sewing machine, it's gonna be even faster. You can save yourself 15-20 bucks and your travel time to and fro the tailor. You learn a badass new skill and you become more confident. How cool is that? And that is basically it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button to tell me, yo Evan, that is pretty helpful. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell, because I will be dropping at least 2 new dope videos every single week, and you don't want to miss it, man. Once again, my name is Evan, you're watching Your Average Gent, and I'll see every one of you in my next video. Bam!